Namaskar. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. Today is a continuation of my series regarding the important shlokas in Ayurveda. And those shlokas are useful for of course, the Kayachikitsa main Ayurvedic treatment part. But these shlokas are very useful for first year, second year, third year, fourth year BMS students, MDMS students, and also for the Ayurvedic doctors, and also who wish to learn Ayurveda. They must see this particular series of Professor Deshpande regarding the shlokas. Okay, so let us start to discuss about these shlokas. Today we will start about the Pitta Dosha properties. So you know this Vata, Pitta and Kapha, these are the three bioenergies in our human body. And our human body is made up of Dosha, Dhatu, Mala, Moolam, Hi, Shariram. So bioenergies, body tissues and the waste products, these are the important components of our body. So doshas are responsible for all physiological activities. Like for example, Vata dosha is responsible for all types of movements. Pitta dosha bioenergy is responsible for transformation, metabolism, digestion. And Kapha bioenergy is responsible for nutrition and also for the stability and the growth. Today we are going to discuss about the Pitta dosha. So Pitta Vyutpatti, how that particular term has been derived. This is Tapa Santape. Tapa Santape. Santapa is an indication of heat. Okay. So Pitta Surup is naturally Pittam Agneyam. So Prithvi, Jala, Tej, Vayu, Akash. These are the five basic primordial substances in the universe, five Mahabhutas. And this Pitta dosha is predominantly fire element is predominant in the Pitta dosha because of it has to do the function of metabolism, digestion and transformation. What are the properties of the Pitta dosha? Pittam sasneha tikshnoshnam laghu vistram saram dravam. Pittam sasneha. It is not too much oily like the Kapha dosha, but little oil part is there in the Pitta dosha. Then Ushna and Tikshna, hot and penetrating capacity. Laghu, light in character. Vistra, a typical smell is there. Sara, fluid in nature. And Drava, that can spread as per the necessity. For example, digestion. So enzymes and the digestive juices, they cover all the food particles and they make the digestion. Next, we will go further. For example, this is slide number 84. I think it is 85. Now I will go for 86. Okay. So let us discuss about the slide number 86, Pitta dosha functions. Pittam Pakyushma Darshanai. Pakti is a digestion, metabolism. Ushma, the heat regulating system in our human body, is under control of the Pitta dosha. Darshanai, all the types of the vision, color, they are coming from the Pitta dosha dominance. Kshut, Trut. Kshut is hunger, Trut is a thirst sensation. Ruchi, taste for our food. Prabha, intelligence capacity. Medha, Grantha Avadharana Shakti, grasping capacity. So all intellectual mental faculties are also under control of Sadhaka Pitta. Dhi, courage. Dhi, Shaurya. Dhi means the implementation capacity with the Dhi is also the intelligence decision-making capacity. And Shaurya is a courage. Tanumardavai, there will be a delicateness in your whole body systems. It may be the skin, it may be the cells, it may be the tissue. All the systems are not that much what you can say the stout and tough like Kapha dosha, but they are a little bit delicate because of the Ushna Tikshna properties. Agnireva Sharire Pittantargataha Kupita Kupitaha Shubha Shubhani Karoti Tadyatha. That means Pitta dosh in Akupitta stage, in a physiological condition, makes the favor to the body. They are doing physiological activities. But when they are Kupita, Kupita means vitiated, disturbed, pathological state, then they make the Ashubha Karma, that is what you can say the pathological type of the events in our body. For example, Paktim Apaktim, when it is good, Pitta is in a physiological state, it will do the proper digestion. When it is a disturbed, then apakti, your digestion will be hampered. Darshanam, adarshanam, your vision will be normal, your all the body colors will be normal, organ color, cell color will be normal. I'm sorry, RBC, red blood cells, normal red color will be there. But when it is not properly functioning, adarshanam, your vision, eye vision, and also the vision of the color of the different organs. Whatever they are looking with our eyes or with our the special instrument like endoscopy, the colors of the different cells and organs, they will change if the Pitta dosha problem is there. Matra, matratvam, ushmana. Again, the heat regulating mechanism. If the Pitta is a physiological state, it will do the proper heat regulation. That is equilibrium, homeostasis. But if it is disturbed, Pitta Prakopita, then amatra ushnatvam. Hyperpyrexia may be there or hypothermia also may be there. Okay. Prakrita Vikrita Varnam, color and complexion, it will may be normal or it may be cyanotic. It may be gangrenous. It may be blue coloration. It may be black coloration, which is not expected in the normal condition. So this abnormal coloration is also because of the faulty metabolism. And faulty metabolism comes under like metabolic acidosis or respiratory acidosis. That is also a disturbed metabolic process. Okay. Then shaurya, courage, bhaya, shaurya and bhaya. If the person is don't having the proper what you can say the pitta, sadhaka pitta, then he will be always in a fear, always in anxiety. Okay. Krodham, harsham. Okay. That means he will be angry if the pitta is prakopita, but he will be in a normal mood when the pitta is a normal. Moham prasadam iti evam adinam cha aparani dvandvaniti. All types of dualities in the metabolic processes will happen according to the physiological and pathological condition of the Pitta dosha. This was the slide number 86. I will go further. Now I will go for 87. Okay, here you can see the 87 number. So all these shlokas are available. Please, those who are, because this is, I am making a live type of session, and those who are interested to see all my videos, because there are hundreds and thousands of videos on my YouTube channel, Ayurveda Academy 19. This is the name of the handle. Or Ayurveda Academy by Professor Dr. R. Deshpande, you can type like that, and you will get the videos of each and every subject of Ayurveda, starting from first year BMS to last year BMS, and also for the common man, the treatment policies of Ayurveda, and this and that. Everything you can visit to my channel and also subscribe this particular my channel, and you will get the notification by pressing the bell button icon. Sites of the Pitta dosha. Nabhi, Ama, Shayat. Here the Nabhi means not only umbilicus or navel, but it is the part, central part of your body, that is the intestine, especially the Grahani. Grahani, small intestine, for example, duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. And also there is an organ, one important organ, that is liver. That is the main industry of digestion. All metabolism, protein metabolism, carbohydrate, fat metabolism, everything is taking place in the liver. Are you getting my point? So when we say Nabhi, is all these parts are what you can say incorporated in the word Nabhi. Okay, Amashay, upward part, then Sweda, sweat, Lasika, like a serous secretions, Rudhiram Rasa. Rudhira is a blood. That is the main, what you can say, the supporting dhatu for the Pitta dosha. Because Pitta and Rakta, they are having the Ashraya Ashri Sambandha, Dosha Dhatu Sambandha. Doshas are the bioenergies, and they require some matter to get acted upon on the cells, on the organs. So blood is a very friendly with the Pitta dosh when they are in a physiological state. But of course, dosh and the dhatus having the bad relation also. And that is called as a dosha, dushya sammurchana. So physiological relation is also there existing as a ashraya ashri sambandha, and pathological relation also exists as a dosha dushya sammurchana. Of course, I know that a lot of people are coming and looking who is talking and what are we talking. I am a Professor Deshpande, Ayurveda doctor, and I am talking about Ayurveda, about the Pitta dosha. Okay, Rudiram Rasa, Drik, eyes, Sparishanam, skin is also one of the important side. Pittasya, Nabhis Tatra Vishet, the main site where the Jatlagni or the main metabolism, main digestion is taking place is a central part of our abdomen. This was slide number 87. I will go further here. And now I will click 88. Now, these are the 5 types of Pitta dosha. Pachak Ranjaka cha api, Sadhak Alochake tatha, Bhrajakam cha iti Pittasya namani sthana vedataha. This is from the Bhav Prakash. This is the important text of Ayurveda. Pachak, Ranjak, Bhrajak, Sadhak, and Alochak. These are the important types of Pitta dosha. We are going to see the details next. This is slide number 88. Now I will go further. We will click on 89. Okay. Pachak Pitta, the main Pitta responsible for central digestion, abdominal digestion, food digestion, Proteins are converted to amino acids, carbohydrates are converted to glucose, fats are converted to fat. As parallel, I am using both the languages, Ayurvedic language and modern language. So those who are coming on my channel and seeing, oh, who is talking and what is talking, so they must understand what Ayurveda is also correlated with or can be correlated with the modern understanding. Pachak Pitta, central Pitta, all the digestive juices, all the enzymes like pepsin, trypsin, chymotrypsin, all lipase, everything is covered or heading with the Pachak Pitta. Pittam panchatmakam tatra pakva amashe madhyagam. Pakvasha and amasha in between, that is grahani. Panchabhutatmakatvepi. Everything on this earth is made up of 5 basic elements. But still, yet tejasa gunodayat, having the fiery component predominant. Tyakta dravatvam. When it is doing the function of the digestion, metabolism, naturally the fluid component is having less importance. That is a secondary. Okay. Tyakta dravatvam, that is shedding away. Pakadi karmana anala shabditam. Anala is a word for Agni, and Nila is a for Vayu. Anala Shabditam, Pachati Annam Vibhajate, Sara Kittu Puthak Tatha. Sara and Kitta Vibhajan. Nutrient parts are absorbed, and Kitta is a waste product, urine, stools, they are taken to the Pakvashaya. Tatrastham eva pittanam sheshanam api anugraham karoti baladanena pachakam nama tatsmutam. That means this particular central important Pachak Pitta is doing the favor for all the remaining, what you can say, the fiery elements of our body, different pittas. They are getting help by central proper physiological digestion. If your basic digestion is hampered, then you can have the bad anemic condition, then muscular atrophy may be there, then neurological problems will be there. So all the different metabolic processes at the tissue level will be get hampered if the central digestion is not proper. That is the meaning of this Seshanam api anugraham. Okay. This was the slide number 89. I will go for 90. This is Bhrajak Pitta. Bhrajak Pitta is specifically for the erythropoiesis, formation of the red blood cells, formation of the hemoglobin is, as per the Ayurvedic concept, it is the duty of Bhrajak Pitta. Amashaya Pittam Ranjakam Rasaranjanat. So you will be surprised, sir, what is their Amashaya? Because we know that the RBCs are formed in the bone marrow. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. But you must not forget that in the Amashaya, there is intrinsic factor, a type of the protein. This intrinsic factor is very much essential for the absorption of the vitamin B12 from our food. Remember this thing. And if that intrinsic factor present in the Amashaya is not properly functioning, is not there, is having deficiency, then there is a deficiency of vitamin B12 and the anemic condition, which is called as a megaloblastic anemia, will develop. Okay, then I'm sorry, one of here I am. Yattu yakrut liho pittam tasmin ranjako agniti saudnyaha sarasasya ragakrut uktaha. In the liver and spleen, in our fetal life, your erythropoiesis takes place in the liver and spleen. That what is doing? Changing the rasa to the rakta. Not only color, but all the properties are changing. But basically, they are saying that it is a color form tissue in the body after rasa dhatu. Sakhalu apyoro saha yakrit plihano prapya ragam upaiti. This is mentioned by Sushruta. This was 90. Now I will go for 91. Sadhaka Pitta. Buddhi here. Sadhaka Pitta is in the brain. Buddhi, Medha, Abhiman, Adi, Abhipretartha Sadhana, Sadhakam Hridgatam Pittam. Now here one must understand, here Hruday is not only physical chest, heart, but it is Hruday Shabda is also used for the brain at some time as per the reference. So here you can take both the concern, that means brain as well as this particular my left side heart in my body. Okay. So here the Sadhaka Pitta is there. Mental faculty is controlled by Pitta, because whatever I am talking right to you, it should be get digested. That knowledge digestion is a duty of Sadhaka Pitta. So Buddhi, intelligence, capacity, Abhiman, that means introspection. Who am I? What is my Prakriti? How I should behave? So all this understanding of the Desha, Kala, Atma Vijnana about ourselves with concern to the remaining things, it is called as a Abhipretartha Sadhana. Yat Pitta Vruddhestham Tasmin Sadhako Agni iti Saudhya. So Shri always said Agni word for the Pitta. Sadhaka Pitta is a Sadhaka Agni. Okay. Next, we will go for slide number 91. Here I am coming for 91. I think this is 91. Okay, we will go further. 92. Bhrajak Pitta. Bhrajak Pitta is related with the skin. Okay. Tvakstham Bhrajakam Bhrajanat Tvachaha. Yattu Tvachipittam. Tasmin Bhrajako Agniti Saudnya. What is the duty of Bhrajak Pitta? To absorb whatever is applicable, like ointment or the lepa and all the things, oils, massage, everything is definitely absorbed through the skin, through the epidermis, to the dermis. Okay. So, Saha Abhyang Parishek, oil massage, pouring of the oil or the tub bath, Avagah, Avalepadinam Kriyadravyanam Pakta. Their digestion is also taking place through the skin. Chayanam cha prakashaka, color and complexion is done with the Bhrajak Pitta. This was slide number 92. Now I will go 93. Nano Chaya Prabhayoho ko bhedaha. This is for the importance for the student. They are always asked this question in the oral. What is the difference in Chaya and Prabha? Uchchate asannat lakshate Chaya, Prabha durat prakashate. Chaya is your complexion which can be understood by your near distance. But Prabha is like the glorification of your skin that can be understood from a long distance. Okay. So asannat lakshate Chaya, Prabha durat prakashate. Bhrajanam, the Bhrajak Pitta Bhrajanam iti Deepanam Prakashanam. Luster, color and complexion, shining is done with the Bhrajak Pitta. This was slide number 93. I will go further for the 94. Okay, Alochak Pitta related with your eyes. Like for example, there is a specific enzyme in our eye that is rhodopsin. Try to understand, rhodopsin. This is the specific enzyme. And this Pitta concept is very parallel to the enzymes and hormonal concept of modern physiology. Okay, so Alochak Pitta, Rupa Alochanata Smitam, Drikstham Alochakam. The vision, proper vision is done with the Alochak Pitta. This was slide number 94. I will go for 95. Pitta Vruddhi. Pitta Vinmutra Netratva Kshitrut Daha Alpanidrata. When Pitta is in a pathological condition, the yellow color is predominant, especially infective hepatitis, jaundice. So, yellow color for the stools, for the mutra, high colored urine is a typical feature of infective hepatitis or the jaundice. Netra, yellow icterus, it is called as icterus. Tvak, nails. Kshit, trit, excessive hunger. This is something different. Jaundice, there is no excessive hunger. But I am saying another symptom that can be arised because of the Pitta Vruddhi is excessive hunger, excessive thirst, excessive burning. Daha is a burning. Alpanidrata, insomnia problem. Pitta Vruddhu, Pitta Obhasta, Santapaha. High temperature, Shita Kamitvu, desire for getting cold. Alpanidrata, sleep is less. Murcha, giddiness, unconscious. Balhani, strength is lost. Indriya Daurbalya, Jnanendriya and Karmendriya. Shrotra, Tvak, Chakshu, Rasana, Gran. Vak, Pani, Pad, Payu, Upast, and Ubhendriya is the mind. All these indriyas will also get affected because of the this excessive heat in the body. Then Pitta, yellow color for the wheat. For the Mutra, wheat means stools. Urine, Netra, Tvak. Okay, this is by Varpat, this is by Sushru. This was slide number 95. Now I will go for 96. Pitta Kshaya. When there is a deficiency of Pitta, Pitte, Mando, Analaha, Shitam, Pravahani. Mand, Anala. Here Anala is Agni. Agni Mande will be created. Indigestion will be created. Loss of appetite. The metabolic process will not be proper. There will be gas in the stomach. Constipation, there may be diarrhea. So everything, ajirna, indigestion will take place. Shita, body will feel shivering, cold because Pitta. Heat regulating system has been damaged. And Pravahani, you will lose luster, complexion, color of the skin because internal metabolism has been disturbed. This was slide number 96. I will go further. Let us see what is there. Yes, causes of Pitta Prakop. Why the Pitta Prakop takes place? Because of your faulty diet and faulty lifestyle. For example, Pittam Katu Amla Tikshmi. If the person is having the eating habit, lot of spices all the time, vada pav and the green chilies, taking the chilies, that is very dangerous. Taking alcohol, smoking, keeping late at night, all this fact, working near the furnaces, working near the chemical factories. So all this heat in the month of Grishma Rutu, summer season, hot summer, hot sun, temperature above 40 degrees centigrade, October heat, too much heat. So all these factors will affect your Pitta dosha in the body. Krodha, even the psychological factors. If you are always having hot temper, your body Pitta will be disturbed. Vidahi is like irritating food. Okay. Sharada Rutu, October 8, Madhyana, in the midday of the hot sun. Ratriardha, in the midnight. Vidaha Samaya issue. All these factors, faulty diet, faulty food, faulty lifestyle, and faulty your thinking process will hamper this Pitta or will do this Pitta Prakop. Next, causes of Pitta Prakop, I think we are in the 97. Now I will try to go further, 98. No, I think this is the time to stop because today I completed this particular Pitta topic and I also, I'm not very, what you can say, aware of this doing the live telecast on the YouTube, but I'm trying in this session and let me see what is happening with this thing. But I am not exactly know how to control this particular thing, but I will try my level best to see whether I can stop this another live streaming. Okay. I just please excuse me because we are trying our level best to control this phenomena. Okay. So first I will stop this screen sharing. Okay. And let me see over here. Okay. No, I think stop sharing I will do. And then again, I will go here, stop live stream. Yes, I have found it. Okay, good. And then I can also try to, I think I must stop now recording. Okay.